This is a quick example of how we can use relations and rollups to create live references between three databases. In this example, we have three databases we want to use to help us with food prep. The first database contains our ingredients. The second database has our individual dishes. And the third database has the meals that we need to prep for. So first, we want to link the ingredients with their respective dishes. We can do this by creating a relation property. So we type in relation, and we want to link it to the dishes database. One thing to note is that we should make sure that this is a two-way relationship so that we can view the ingredients for each dish within the dishes database. And in the end, it will look something like this. Over in the dishes database, it will look like this. Now that we know what ingredients link to which dish, we can decide which dishes should go with our meals. So to do that, we add another relation property, this time to the dishes database. Again, we want to make this a two-way relationship. And that will look like this in our meals database, and over in our dishes database, it will look like this. The issue with this, however, is that we can't see what ingredients we need for each meal. Or conversely, we can't see what meal each ingredient is for. This means that you'd have to manually update each relationship if you were to make a property linking ingredients and dishes, because it wouldn't be related to the two relations that we've already created. Just as an example though, let's see what that would look like. As you can see, the ingredients relation property has no idea that the dishes that we've already attached to each meal come with a preset list of ingredients. You'd be adding each one separately. The better solution is to use the relations that we've already created, as well as a different type of property we have available to us, the rollup. We want to use the relationship property that we've already created, which was the link between dishes and meals, but instead we want to reference the ingredients property. And we can do the same in the ingredients database. Again, referencing the dishes database and looking at the meals property. And so now, if we go to meals, and let's say we remove a dish from a meal, the ingredients are automatically updated. Similarly, if we add a dish, the ingredients are updated. I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching.